Hey you guys, Michael and I are making a little breakfast meal. We're making our avocado toast. So I'm gonna just walk you through really quickly how we make it and share with you how easy it is to put dishes together without needing a recipe and without necessarily having to measure everything out. So I have 2 pieces of my paleo bread, and we just happen to like paleo bread because it is gluten-free. The brand that we have is also soy-free, and there's no grains in it that cause my body to have any kind of reaction. So we're not paleo, but we really enjoy having this paleo version of bread, and it is by Base Culture. So I have half of an avocado here. I just sliced it up right in the kind of skin. And I'm not gonna necessarily mash my avocado today. I'm just gonna lay it across my bread so the bread's covered. And then I'm gonna take the other half of my avocado and just simply do it to the other side of my bread. So I'm just gonna lay that on there like that. And then we have our favorite al fresco eggs. These eggs are really clean, humanely raised chickens and all that kind of stuff. We just cooked them in some avocado oil and then flipped them over. So the yolk on these eggs is actually cooked all the way through. Sometimes we like the yolk runny, sometimes we don't. Today we just happen to make it solid. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of our bacon that we made in our air fryer on the side. This bacon has no sugar added, which is a big deal. Lots of bacons have sugar added. So if you're trying to stay more on the keto side, make sure you're looking for sugar-free or bacon that has no sugar added. And then for a little extra touch, I'm just gonna take some of my favorite salsa. This is salsa from Trader Joe's. It's Salsa Authentica. And I'm just gonna drizzle this right over the top of my avocado toast. Again, I'm not measuring it. I'm just gonna drizzle it right there. Super simple, quick way to make homemade avocado toast without having to measure or need a recipe.